All right, welcome to today's video. Today's Wednesday. Today's the 13th. You're watching this Wednesday night for Thursday. I've got two potential trade setups for Thursday. Okay, first let's check out the two trades that I recommended, not recommended, but at least talked about the other day. First one was HIMX. Remember I said that, let's see, look at this. So again, that was never penetrated, right? It only took out the high of 11.05 by 5 cents, right? If you got long, that's fine. You're still doing good. Today, we sold off a little bit, stuck at that 100-day moving average. This is where we're at right now. So if you're long HIMX, that's fine. I would have that stop now below today's low, okay? JBT, remember we had this tight little inside bar here. Again, we only penetrated by 8 cents, so I'm assuming many of you probably did not enter this. I did not. Remember, on a stock over $100, I really like to see a penetration of at least 20 cents, and we did not penetrate that either, okay? So I just wanted to quickly go through those two. I am not long those two, but those are my suggestions if, in fact, you did, okay? Take a look at Tesla. Every day I'm getting sick to my stomach because I knew this market would move higher. We caught, like I mentioned on yesterday's video, we had 3 or 4 great trades down here. Did really, really well. Even long down in here caught this, but exited on this day and on this day. Okay, on the 6th and the 7th. Look at where we're at. 30 points higher. Unbelievable. So keeping that on my watch list. Now, if we were to get a pullback into this area, the 325-ish area, I'd be looking to buy it, looking for it to move even higher. So let's see that. But the two trades that I want to focus in on for tomorrow, remember, these are setups. Big difference between a setup and an actual trade, right? We need a trigger. The trigger on TCBK would be above today's high. Okay, so even though the market has not officially closed, we still have a couple hours left, we are going to have an inside day. Now remember, the Fed speaks today on interest rates, so we'll see if we get an interest rate hike or not. We're getting that, it's about 140, so we're going to get that out at 215. We'll hear the news on that. So we'll see if we get the volatility spiking, which we should. But on TCBK, assuming that today's high is in place already at $40 even, I love those round numbers, right? So if we got a penetration up through 40, assuming today's high is 40, my trigger point would be $40.10. Okay, 10 cents up through it, 40.10. Okay, next potential trade setup would be HOFT, H-O-F-T, Hooker Furniture. Now, taking a look at this, obviously the market got killed, right? Market put in this new high right in here and came down big time. You're talking 52 and change down to 42. Huge move down, oversold. But what I like about this is look at the remember the purple line is the 200 simple moving average, right? Now, yes, yesterday we took that out, closed down here. Yes, that's true. But look at today, a very, very tight inside bar, right? Today's high is substantially lower than yesterday's high, and today's low is substantially higher than yesterday's low, right? That's a lot of indecision in this particular market. So assuming today's high holds, which is at 42.30, I'd be looking at 42.51 would be my trigger. 42.51. Get it at least 1 penny up off the half. Okay, so 10 cents up from 42.30 is 40, and it's 10 cents below 42.5. You know what I think about halves and rounds. If I'm buying it, I like to buy it up through that. So that's where my trigger would be tomorrow. So let's see what the Fed chairman does today, and see if we get a hike of a quarter point or so. All right, hope that helps. Have a great one, and I will be back with you tomorrow. Hopefully, we're supposed to get a huge snowstorm here in Michigan, 7 to 10 inches. So I should be in. Bye for now.